everybody, it's Ronnie here, and so in today's video, I have for y'all 5 cute and adorable Dollar Tree DIYs. Now again, these are all made from Dollar Tree products. You can bring them in and out, and they're all themed for Valentine's Day, as you can tell by my florally red shirt, which, you know, it's all Valentine's Day. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing, because I do have a part 2 coming out in the coming weeks. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first up, I have for you all this cute wood picture holder. So I used one of Dollar Tree's newer cork frames, and I just went ahead and traced out exactly where the frame ended and the glass portion would start. I just took that out and started hot gluing some popsicle sticks to the bottom. Now, to kind of differentiate it and give it that sort of wood floor texture, I went ahead and I started cutting them up in just different spots, sometimes cutting them up into pieces of 3s, just staggering them about to create that kind of wood floor texture that I really like. Next, I watered down some brown paint. I've shown this little hack before, unless you do have wood stain that you would like to use. If you want to sort of get that wood stain type feel with any color paint, whether you use like brown, blue, green, just water it down and it will turn into a wood stain, which you can see right here. I did that with a brown, and you can just layer it to get it darker and lighter in different places. Then I went ahead and closed that off, leaving off the glass, and I'm writing just a little note that says I love you, and just putting some stickers there because I don't have a photo to put there. So you don't have to do this. This is just to kind of fill in some empty space. And then I go ahead and hot glue a little clothespin and just clip it up there. And I think that's really cute to hang a little Valentine's picture, or even just to have in general. These pictures really don't do it justice on how cute this little DIY is. Next up, this is my absolute favorite, like one of my favorites, is this cute heart candle holder. Now, I did something similar for Easter with the bunny, where I took one of these little like heart wooden planks, plaques, and I hot glued 3 wood beads to it. Now I'm just going ahead and putting a few coats of paint on it. You can make them look like candy hearts. I wanted to go with white and put a cute little quote on it. So then with my Cricut, I just cut out the words, "You are the light of my life." Now Dollar Tree has regular stickers that you can use instead, or you can even hand paint on your words, whatever is easier and more affordable for you. But I just think this is super cute as home decor, or even to give as a little Valentine's treat to someone. And again, it is that easy to make. Glue, paint, stick. And it's honestly really customizable. You can put any quote or saying you want and make it any color. And boom, here is it in action, holding my little candle over here. Next up is this cute glitter heart frame. So first, it took forever to scrape off this little "Be Mine" saying that's not even lined up correctly, but honestly, I really wanted this for the frame. So scraping off as much as I can, I just kind of broke the frame open and took out the little part that said "Be Mine." I primed it with some white. Sadly, you can still see some of the "Be Mine" underneath everything, so honestly, if you want to just go and stick a little bit of Dollar Tree vinyl on top, that will probably do better. So to try to hide it even more, I did end up deciding to paint it black, which did help a little bit, and then I just hot glued the frame shut, easy peasy lemon cheesy, and then glued on some glitter hearts. I cannot find the video of me making these, so I just took some wooden heart stickers that they have, I put Mod Podge on top, and then I just sprinkled them in red glitter. I cannot find the video of me making them anywhere, but this is how this cutie turned out. And I think, again, just some really cute, simple, easy to make Valentine's decor. Next up, as an adorable Valentine's gift, is this cute personalized heart puzzle. So first, make yourself a heart template and get any sort of puzzle from Dollar Tree. I just got this random one. I traced out my heart and I just began to cut it apart until I just kind of filled it all up. With some of the smaller pieces, you can glue them together to the bigger pieces, since it's like, why would you need a teeny tiny piece? Now I'm just going ahead and priming these all with white paint to kind of hide the design underneath. This is kind of just, again, a cute little Valentine's gift, not necessarily decor, but just a cute last minute gift, and Dollar Tree carries puzzles all the time, so this is definitely doable. Now I'm making these cute pastel-y colors, yellow, green, orange, blue, pink, and purple, and I'm just randomly coloring little pieces of this little heart puzzle. Now this did take 2 to 3 coats because I don't have the best quality paint, but this shows that you don't need the best quality paint to make a cute little Valentine's puzzle. Now that it's all together, I'm using a paint pen I got at Michael's. Dollar Tree does carry the same thing, and as you can see for this outline, I did switch to black paint, which you can easily get at the Craft Your Square section, and I'm just outlining it in black, just so it pops and you can tell where the border is. Now, using a pen, I'm just adding some little sayings and doodles like, "You are my person," "I love you," and just different cute little things like that. So you can definitely customize and personalize this to whomever you want to give it to, and they have a cute little puzzle from you to them. You all always know I have to save the biggest and best for last. I made a beautiful rose topiary a couple years ago, so I decided to redo that, but in a smaller scale. So I took some of those little Dollar Tree pails that come in a pack of 3, and I hot glued some of their wooden dowels from their Craft Your Square section right dab in the middle. Now I took 3 of their just glitter hearts. I kind of, carved out the center so it'd be easier to glue in, and I hot glued one of those onto each of them. Now you can paint them based on the color roses you're using. I just kind of left it. And now I'm just going ahead and hot gluing some of their craft foam roses to the hearts to make a cute little heart topiary. I used an entire bag on one, just as a little heads up. And yeah, you can just go and kind of mold it as you go, hot glue some of the different leaves together. It takes a little bit of tinkering to do. The first one took about 15 minutes, the next one 12, the next one 8. And you can just slowly speed up from that. Here's this in a little bit more of a slow-mo, so you can kind of see more of the thought process. I work from top to bottom to try to get it kind of fuller at the top. And now I'm going ahead and painting the wooden dowels green for the stem. I did go in with some hot glue just to make a little vine detailing, but you don't necessarily have to do that. I just did that to give it a little bit of texture. And now to finish it off, I am filling up the bottom with some moss, just to kind of give it that cute foresty Valentine's look. And this is how they turned out. I think they're pretty cute, and I feel like it would make such a cute little craft to do with your kiddos on Valentine's Day. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I do really hope you all enjoyed it. It is a little last minute because I just have not had time to edit this. But you can see this and more DIYs in a couple days because that's when I plan to put out the next video. And again, check out my social media because I will be posting this all there, and I am selling the finished products if you need any last minute Valentine's gifts. Once again, thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to have fun crafting!